lately, I have been receiving questions from subscribers about being single. And so reflecting upon it, I decided to put out this topic on my vlog, and I will promise, or I will try to answer the queries as much as possible. But before that, I'm going to give you a little idea about me. I am a retired librarian, 65 years old, and still single. So, I'm very proud of my age and my status, single. And so, for question number 1, this is from Abaya. It says here, what it means to be an older single woman of today's generation. So my answer to this question is very challenging, very fulfilling. And at 65, I still see myself as an achiever. Why achiever? Because hindi ko inakala na at 65 maging content creator ako sa platform, YouTube platform. So, I really find it fulfilling and achievement ko ito, no? Kasi hindi lahat ng older single woman may sariling channel. So, this is very fulfilling, challenging, and I am happy to be in this, still in this generation, no? Yun ba na-experience ko pa kung what is life na modern na ang kapanahunan, no? And so that's it. Very challenging, very fulfilling, no? So ito ang achievement ko, content creator ng YouTube. Thank you so much sa mga millennial. Sila ang gumawa ng channel ko. And so the next question is, do you find it hard to connect or adjust to millennial people? My answer to that is no. Good vibes ako. And the keyword for that is adaptability. I can adjust. I am flexible. I am a flexible person. So, any age group, in ako. But I have to put a fence or put a barrier. I have to remain in my belief, values, because I belong to the old school of thought. So, medyo conservative ako. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko, no? Walang problema si Lu Amor sa kahit anong klaseng tao. Tao. In Bisaya, that is tao, no? So, ganyan lang. And then, pwera lang yung mga jestings, yung mga vulgar na language. Talagang you will hear me admonishing the young, no? Pag ganyan na ang situation. And so the next question is, how does a 65-year-old woman get in the mood? No, so in the mood ako palagi, in all, kahit anong situation. In the mood for eating, in the mood for roaming around the beautiful places. I'm in the mood to be happy. I'm in the mood to love. I'm a loving person, no? I have experienced what it is to love and be loved. So in the mood ako. In all things, in everything, no? So walang problema. So ganyan. Iwan ko sa ibang older women, single, pero ako. And then, the next question is, tapos na ba ito? Do you prefer to hang out with people your age or younger? Both. Because, as what I have said, I am easy to get along with. from toddler to 92. But I have my own group in the church, 60 to 75 years old, the CWA, the Prayer Shield. So mga ganyan. Wala akong problema kahit anong age group, no? So ganyan, I can hang out with them. And then, andito pa, what advice you can give to older single woman to live gracefully and happy? So, ano bang mai-advise ko? Cheer up. Don't just stay in the corner of your room or in your house. Cheer up. Move around. Love the outdoor life. We can take a walk with friends, visit our friends, go to church, and find the right group of people para happy naman tayo. Huwag lang tayong magmarites. Pwede magmarisol. Marisol. So, yun. Just be happy and we have to boost our happy hormone, no? So, yung happy hormone, nakatulong talaga yan, no? Stay away from the black hole in our life, like depression, yung mga stresses, anger, bitterness, yung mga ano pa dyan, yung mga envy, ano pa, be yung parang attitude natin na talagang full of life, no? So choose to be happy, choose life, no? Yun lang, matter of attitude. Cheer up. If you want to feel miserable, if you want to feel what is this, stressful, then go ahead. But for me, I really want to be happy all the time. If I am tempted or para bang pag patungo na ako dyan sa mga feeling na ganyan, I have to refocus my mind or I have to divert my attention to other things that can make me happy. So, happy hormone. Happy hormone. You should be very happy there, no? Do not jump into the black hole in life. So, masama yon, no? So, and of course, I have to say this. Read the Bible. The Bible is a very refreshing, nourishing book, no? Lahat ano talaga, it can ease our pain, our hurt, our heartbreaks, etc., etc. The Bible, and talk to God all the time. So yun lang, and eat nutritious food. Go out sometimes and you order some delicious, nutritious food. Yung mga junk food pwede naman, pero once in a blue moon lang, no? So this is part 1 of this episode. May part 2 pa tayo because marami pang question, no? So, I hope yung mga single girls dyan who happen to bump or who happen to watch this video, we still have part 2, no? So, before that, if you enjoy the content of this vlog, feel free to click the word subscribe and the bell button. If you want to hear more of this topic, please let me know at the comment section below. You can write prayer request, your problem, or any question that you would like me to tackle, no? And so, please remember, you are very important to me, subscribers and onliners, no? So you are all welcome. And so, until part 2 of this episode, have a good and godly day, everyone. Please remember, Jesus loves you and me always, no? And He will never leave us nor forsake us. Stay happy, stay healthy. So, bye-bye, everyone, and please remember, Amor loves you very much. So, bye-bye. Smile lang. Laughter is the best medicine.